The NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS is a powerful and versatile blender that can be used to make a variety of smoothies, juices, and other blended drinks. But is it worth the price? In this video, I'll take a closer look at the NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS and give you my honest opinion on whether or not it's a good deal. I'll talk about its features, performance, and value. So if you're thinking about buying a blender, stick around and I'll tell you everything you need to know. Let's start with the pros. The NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS has a powerful 900-watt motor that can easily blend through tough ingredients, such as ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens. It comes with a variety of blades that can be used to create a variety of textures, from smooth smoothies to chunky salsas. Is easy to assemble and use. Simply add your ingredients, twist on the lid, and blend away. The NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS comes with a variety of accessories, including a travel cup, a smoothie bowl, and a cleaning brush, and is available in a variety of colors. Now, let's talk about the cons. The NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS is a more expensive blender than some other options on the market, can be quite loud when in use, and is not dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash the blades and other accessories. Overall, the NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS is a powerful and versatile blender that can be used to make a variety of blended drinks. It's a good choice for people who are looking for a blender that can handle tough ingredients and create a variety of textures. However, it is a more expensive option than some other blenders on the market. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile blender that doesn't break the bank, the NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS is a good option. However, if you're on a tight budget, you may want to consider a less expensive option. Interested in buying the NutriBullet Pro 13 PCS? You can find a link to Amazon in the description of this video.